In case the fuse blows out, so here is the fuse, so you can use a screwdriver and just pull this pin out like this, right? So underneath here you have a fuse, right? You can check this fuse whether it is blown or is it working. And then there is this spare fuse, right? So if it is blown, then this wire inside here will be broken. If it is not broken, then the fuse is working. So if you want, you can remove this. So in order to remove this, use a screwdriver and just take it out. Then you can put a new fuse. Just insert it slightly, and then you can insert it again like this, right?